Hey everybody, this is Papa Scrap. I'm just sitting out here this evening, pedaling around a little bit. Since we had a hot day, I'm trying to cool off a little bit. I'm gonna take the guts out of this piece of cast. There's some good brass in here. I'm gonna end up saving it. A little bit of wire, but I'm just gonna take the guts out of this thing and see if we can get the cast out. If I can get it broke loose. Well, it don't look like the screwdriver's gonna do the job, does it? Now we do that. See? Screwdriver ain't gonna do the job. Might have to tilt this thing up a little bit. Let me loosen up and give y'all a little better insight. I'm gonna raise you up a little bit. Come on, baby. Woo! I hope that didn't scare you, because that was the booger man peeping in on you. We're gonna try to get this little bit of couple of screws out of here. See if we can break it loose with something. Let me slide on over here a little bit so y'all can see it. Yeah, I'm kind of working out here in the light off the building tonight, just cause it's been hot all day. I've been involved in a situation and can't get nobody to work with me. My little dog got the missing Friday. Had somebody call, sent me a message today that my dog was down in Anderson and somebody had it. So I contacted the people and I went all the way to Anderson to get her. Before I get down there to get her, the woman's done called me. Oh, she done run off. She got out and run off. Well, I know little Rosie, she ain't going too far. So we get down there and ends up, she ain't nowhere in sight. Can't find her. So that's what I've been doing all day looking for her. But my thing is, I think the woman that had her decided that she wanted to keep her. So let's pray to the good Lord that she knows better than what she's doing. Because it might bite her in the hiney before it's over with. Alright, we're getting these wires loose. We got to figure out how to get this end off. Should be able to pry it off. If not, I'll take a grinder and cut it off. Looks like it comes apart right there. I don't know, but I think it does. Let's hope it does. Come apart right there. Some way, some way or fashion. It'll come apart right there. Alright, I got to find me a little wrench to fit this. And I think might be a 10 millimeter. Well, none of these fit it. 10 millimeter, it got too big. I'll have to see if I might can get a bigger screwdriver and put some more hiney on it. Oh, we got one. I'm gonna turn you right around here toward me a little bit. We got one loose. See if we can get this one over here hiding in the dark loose. There we go. We got her loose. It feels good to sit out here on a hot summer night. Just listen to all the noise in the trees. All the noise in the trees. Alright, I gotta get this stuff out. This going to the scrap yard. This piece of cast to be thrown in a tote. Let's see if I can get my butt down here and get these wire cutters. Ooh-wee. Get this cut loose. I'll separate that wire here later on. I'm gonna see if I can get this piece off somehow. I don't know if it can be turned or not. I know another way to get it out. As long as we got a good battery. If we got a good battery, we'll get it out. He's about out of there. He's about out of there. Oh yeah. See if I can take this screwdriver and pull her on out. There we go. We got a clean piece of cast aluminum. Go scrap yard. That'll go in the cast pile. I got this piece right here. I've got to get this nut off of this thing, but it wants to be a pain. Then I'll have another piece of clean cast. We're gonna grab this end, this booger right here, and see if we can figure out how to get this. Separate some screws on this thing. Get this cover off. I need a good old Phillips head, I think. Or is it? I don't know what that looks like. It's screwed up there. I don't know what it is. No clue, no clue, no clue. Old Phillips head right there. got to do is cut this cord off and get all this broke loose and pull that cord through somehow. Let's see if my little old grinder's got enough juice left in her. I about got her. Get her cut out of there. So we can take old screwdriver, get up underneath it and break it off. Look at there. That's like magic, wasn't it? Now I got to figure out how to finish getting this piece off. Take this old Phillips head here and take this screw out. Oh, we got that plate off there. Good old scrap metal. No clue what that's for. See if we can get these wires right here undone. Take my old trusty cutters. Got a clip on it. I'm gonna cut the cord off on this end. See if I can slide that up in there. Pull it from the other end. See? Push and pull. Voila. Should come right on out. There's another good piece of wire. These little pieces of wire right here, I'm not really going to worry about them. They ain't that much. But you can nip them off and save them if you want to. But this is just going to go straight in the scrap pile on the trailer. This cord, I'll cut this end off. Put it with my cords. There's some pretty good looking copper in there. I can run it through the wire stripper and strip it. There's a one to come off the other one. It's pretty thick too, but it's just like a little stringy wire cord. I might just throw them in a separate pile by themselves. Pile all my stuff up here. Well, tomorrow is weekend eve. Tomorrow's Friday. Hope everybody has a great weekend and enjoys the weekend. I don't know if you want to see my ugly mug or not, but I'm gonna raise you up. There I am. Boo. Before you go tonight, say your night blessings. Pray to the good Lord that He takes care of us and keeps us safe from harm, and lets us wake up to a new day tomorrow. Hope everybody has a great evening. I'm gonna go in and maybe eat me a liver mush sandwich. That sounds like a plan. So I hope everybody has a great evening. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Good night.